Welcome to one of the most stunning homes you'll ever step into, located in the heart of Boca Raton, Florida. This isn't just a house, it's a statement of modern luxury where every single detail has been meticulously thought out. As soon as you arrive, you notice the grandeur of the exterior. The facade is a blend of sleek lines and contemporary design, punctuated by oversized windows that hint at the brightness waiting inside. The landscaping is immaculate, a perfect combination of tropical elegance and minimalistic precision. Palm trees line the driveway, creating a sense of arrival, while subtle lighting highlights the structure's architectural beauty. You can immediately tell that this home was built with exceptional quality in mind. Stepping through the front doors, you are greeted by an expansive foyer that sets the tone for the rest of the home. The ceilings are impossibly high, giving a sense of openness and airiness, while the floor-to-ceiling glass walls bring in natural light from every angle. The materials are premium, polished marble floors, warm wood accents, and custom-designed fixtures that combine to create an atmosphere of understated elegance. On either side of the foyer, there are formal sitting areas that showcase the home's balance between comfort and style. The layout feels perfectly designed for both entertaining guests and enjoying quiet family moments. Moving into the heart of the home, the living room is breathtaking. It's expansive, yet every space feels intimate. The seating areas are arranged for both conversation and relaxation, and the fireplace, a modern sculptural piece, anchors the room beautifully. The attention to detail here is remarkable. Every line, every surface, every corner has been considered. The ceiling features recessed lighting that can be adjusted to suit the mood, and hidden smart home technology ensures that everything operates seamlessly. From here, the living room flows effortlessly into the dining area, which is equally impressive. The dining space is perfect for hosting grand dinner parties, with enough room to seat a large number of guests without ever feeling cramped. The lighting fixture above the table is a piece of art in itself, drawing the eye upward and emphasizing the room's height and sophistication. Now the kitchen. This is where form meets function in the most extraordinary way. Designed for both everyday use and entertaining, the kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances, including a professional grade oven, induction cooktop, and a built-in wine refrigerator. The cabinetry is custom, crafted from the finest materials, and offers an abundance of storage without compromising the aesthetic. Countertops are sleek and durable, providing the perfect workspace, while the oversized island invites gathering and conversation. What really sets this kitchen apart, however, is the attention to lighting, both natural and artificial. Under-cabinet lighting, pendant fixtures, and strategically placed recessed lights highlight every detail, ensuring that this space is as beautiful as it is functional. There's also a breakfast nook with panoramic views of the backyard, making morning coffee feel like a serene retreat. Speaking of the backyard, this home truly comes alive when you step outside. The outdoor space is nothing short of spectacular. A sprawling infinity-edge pool glistens under the Florida sun, with a connected spa that creates the perfect relaxation zone. There's a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and dining area, ideal for entertaining or enjoying casual meals surrounded by nature. The landscaping continues the theme of elegance, with manicured lawns, tropical plants, and subtle water features that add a sense of tranquility. A covered lounge area provides shade and comfort, making it easy to enjoy the outdoors at any time of day. The views from the backyard are breathtaking, offering privacy while still capturing the essence of South Florida living. Returning indoors, the home offers multiple living areas, each with its own unique character and style. There's a family room designed for cozy movie nights, complete with built-in cabinetry and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. A separate home office provides a professional workspace with plenty of natural light and built-in storage, ensuring productivity in an environment that is anything but ordinary. Every space in this home is designed to be both functional and inspiring, from the secondary living areas to the private nooks perfect for reading or reflection. The bedrooms in this mansion are nothing short of spectacular. There are multiple en-suite bedrooms, each designed as a private retreat. The master suite is particularly impressive. Entering the room, you are immediately struck by the sheer scale and elegance. The bedroom itself is spacious, with room for a sitting area, private desk, and, of course, the luxurious bed. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame serene views of the backyard and pool area, flooding the space with natural light. The master bathroom is akin to a spa retreat, with dual vanities, a soaking tub, a walk-in shower with multiple showerheads and high-end finishes throughout. Custom closets provide an abundance of storage and are designed for both functionality and style, ensuring that even the most extensive wardrobe fits perfectly. The secondary bedrooms are equally impressive, each with its own en-suite bathroom, premium finishes, and thoughtful design. Whether it's a guest suite or a room for family members, these spaces are comfortable, elegant, and private. The bathrooms feature modern fixtures, glass showers, and beautifully designed vanities that combine luxury with practicality. Every bedroom is designed to feel like a personal retreat, providing privacy while maintaining a sense of connection to the rest of the home. Entertainment options in this mansion are unparalleled. A dedicated home theater is outfitted with plush seating, surround sound, and advanced acoustics, creating a cinematic experience without ever leaving the house. For those who enjoy fitness and wellness, there is a private gym with state-of-the-art equipment and plenty of space for both cardio and strength training. There's also a spa area complete with sauna and massage room, perfect for unwinding after a long day. This home seamlessly integrates luxury with lifestyle, ensuring that every need is met within the comfort of its walls. Technology plays a key role in this home's appeal. A fully integrated smart home system allows you to control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with ease. From the palm of your hand or a central panel, you can adjust the mood of the house, monitor security cameras, or manage the sound system throughout the property. This seamless integration ensures that luxury and convenience coexist effortlessly. One of the most impressive aspects of this property is the attention to detail in its construction. Every material, from the flooring to the hardware, was carefully selected to ensure quality and longevity. The home was designed not only to impress but to endure, providing a level of craftsmanship that is rarely seen in modern construction. Even small touches, such as custom door handles, integrated shelving, and specialized lighting, contribute to the overall sense of refinement and sophistication. Sustainability and energy efficiency were also considered in the design of this mansion. High-performance windows energy, efficient appliances, and smart climate control systems ensure that the home is not only luxurious but also responsible in terms of energy usage. The integration of sustainable landscaping and irrigation systems further enhances the property's environmental consciousness, proving that luxury and eco-awareness can coexist beautifully. In addition to the interior amenities, this home offers a range of spaces designed for socializing and entertaining. A wine cellar provides the perfect environment for storing and displaying a prized collection, while a game room offers hours of fun for both children and adults. Outdoor terraces and balconies provide additional spaces to relax, socialize, or simply take in the views. Every area of this home is designed to enhance the lifestyle of its residents, creating a perfect balance of private retreat and social hub. The garage is equally impressive, providing space for multiple vehicles and designed with the same attention to detail as the rest of the home. High ceilings, premium finishes, and smart storage solutions ensure that this space is both practical and elegant. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply need ample storage, this garage meets every expectation. Security and privacy were paramount in the planning of this property. Gated entry, advanced surveillance systems, and secure access points ensure that the home remains safe and private, allowing residents to enjoy their lifestyle without compromise. Landscaping and architectural design further enhance privacy, creating a serene oasis within Boca Raton. Beyond the walls of the home, the location is exceptional. Boca Raton is known for its pristine beaches, world-class dining, and vibrant cultural scene. Residents of this home enjoy access to top-tier golf courses, exclusive shopping districts, and a range of recreational opportunities. At the same time, the property is set back from the main roads, providing a sense of peace and seclusion that is rare in today's world. It's the perfect combination of convenience, luxury, and privacy. As we continue the tour, it's impossible not to notice how the interior design perfectly complements the architecture. Neutral tones, natural textures, and carefully curated furnishings create a cohesive aesthetic throughout the home. Artworks are strategically placed to enhance visual interest, while lighting is used to highlight both structural features and design elements. Every room feels intentional, with nothing left to chance. The home also features a series of balconies and terraces that offer stunning views of the surrounding area. Whether it's a sunrise over the landscaped gardens or a sunset reflecting off the pool, these outdoor spaces provide a connection to nature that is both relaxing and invigorating. This seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living is a hallmark of this home, allowing residents to enjoy the Florida climate in style. For those who value culinary experiences, the kitchen is complemented by a formal dining room that is ideal for hosting elegant dinner parties. The space can accommodate a large number of guests comfortably, with views of the outdoors adding to the ambience. The attention to detail extends to every surface, every fixture, and every element, ensuring that dining here is as much an experience as it is a meal. As we move toward the private areas of the home, it's clear that comfort and luxury were paramount. The master suite and secondary bedrooms offer the ultimate in privacy and relaxation, while the bathrooms and closets are designed to meet every practical need without sacrificing style. Every aspect of the home has been considered with the lifestyle of its residents in mind. Technology continues to impress throughout the property. Automated shades, integrated audio systems, and advanced climate control make living here effortless. Smart home features allow residents to tailor their environment to their exact preferences, from lighting levels to room temperatures, creating an unparalleled sense of comfort and convenience. The home also caters to entertainment and leisure in a way that few properties can. The outdoor spaces, from the pool and spa to the terraces and covered lounge areas, are designed for both relaxation and social gatherings. Whether hosting a summer party or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, these spaces provide endless possibilities. Even the smallest details have been meticulously planned. Custom cabinetry, hidden storage solutions, and thoughtful design elements throughout the home reflect a commitment to excellence. From the polished finishes to the seamless transitions between spaces, every element contributes to the overall sense of quality and sophistication. In summary, this brand new modern mansion in Boca Raton is more than just a home. It is a masterpiece of design, construction, and lifestyle. Every aspect, from the grand foyer to the private bedrooms, from the state of the art kitchen to the breathtaking outdoor spaces, reflects a level of quality and attention to detail that is truly exceptional. The integration of technology, the focus on comfort, and the seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living make this property a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. With a price tag of $29,950,000, this home represents the pinnacle of modern luxury living in South Florida. It is a property designed not just to meet the expectations of its residents, but to exceed them in every imaginable way. From its architectural elegance to its functional design, from its high-end finishes to its lifestyle amenities, this mansion embodies the ultimate in sophistication, comfort, and prestige. Walking through this home, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. It's rare to encounter a property that combines beauty, functionality, and innovation so seamlessly. Whether you are entertaining friends, relaxing with family, or enjoying a moment of solitude, this home offers an environment that enhances every experience. The thought, care, and craftsmanship that went into creating this property are evident in every detail, making it not just a house but a work of art. This home is perfect for those who demand the very best in life. It offers privacy without isolation, luxury without ostentation, and comfort without compromise. Every corner of this property tells a story of refinement and sophistication, making it a true standout in the world of high-end real estate. In conclusion, the brand new premier modern mansion in Boca Raton, Florida, priced at $29,950,000, is a testament to what is possible when design, quality, and lifestyle converge. From the moment you arrive to the final details of the master suite, every aspect of this home has been crafted to create an exceptional living experience. It is more than a property. It is a statement of modern elegance, a sanctuary of luxury, and a place where memories are waiting to be made. This is Boca Raton living at its absolute finest, where every day feels like a vacation, and every moment is infused with beauty, comfort, and sophistication. A home like this doesn't come along often, and it is truly a privilege to be able to explore it in such detail. Whether it's the architectural brilliance, the exceptional quality, or the lifestyle amenities, this mansion has been designed to impress, inspire, and provide a home that is nothing short of extraordinary.